Hello everybody. I am here with the very small Dollar Tree haul. So I spent $25 and I'm going to show you what I got. So it was raining yesterday and I got these 2 boxes of envelopes. So let me open and make sure that they are right because my bag was, oh, they good. Yeah, they're good. They warped a little bit in the back, but they're good. So I looked and I saw my envelope stash was down that we lost. So I better go and get these as soon as I see them. And these are the Need, which is a pretty good brand, the security envelopes. It seems like we don't need them as much as we used to because a lot of stuff is done online, but you can't go wrong by just getting them and having them just in case you need them. Okay, the next thing I have is the Scott Comfort Plus. I love these toilet tissues. Scott has always been a brand that you can depend on. And this one, it says it dissolves 10 times faster and is clog free. Something I like a lot is the Arm & Hammer Ultra Max with baking soda, 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and the fresh scent. I love this stuff. It always smells so good. I should have gotten 3 of these. I got some other brands, but I should have gotten 3 of these. And it is 15 ounces. I got some duct tape. I got the Colgate baking soda and peroxide whitening. And y'all saw me get this the other day in my box of stuff from CVS. And it's a smaller one. I was hoping that they had the AIM or the Ultra Bright because they have it in a bigger container. And this was $125. But I actually got it cheaper at CVS. With buying 2, I got it a lot cheaper. I have 2 cups here. I have the same cups, but they're smaller. And I've been drinking a lot of water lately. And this is a nice size water, and I put plenty of ice in it. And you get 2, so this is good. I got the Extra Care Max Fresh Ultra Fresh Solid Antiperspirant Deodorant compared to Arm & Hammer Ultra Max. They got it looking like Arm & Hammer, right? Matter of fact, it looks like it belongs to that. But as you know, deodorant, oh, it smells so good. Deodorant has gotten really, really high. I'm trying to see how much is in here. Yeah, this is pretty good here. Is that it? I think that's about it. Right? Yeah, that's about it. But that's a nice enough amount for $125. And the smell is not too feminine. It's like a man could wear this too. Okay. I have a back brush. Now this is kind of cheap, a little flimsy. because I really thought that I was going to get one for like $5 in there, but for $1.25, it's good enough. Just let me take the plastic off here. That's good enough. Yeah, it's pretty good. This part is a little firmer, but this is flexible. So you can clean that back well, y'all. Very good. And they had this in a black too. And then to get it easy too. Okay, something I was excited about trying because I saw other people buying it. And it's the Bermuda Blue Citrus Refreshing Fabric Rinse. Helps eliminate residue and odor. 15 ounces. So I saw a lot of people buying this on YouTube. So let me smell it. I'm not that crazy about the smell, but we'll see when we wash these clothes. Safe for all fabric. Maintain and care for your clothes with our refreshing fabric rinse. It's safe for all fabrics. Gentle on the skin. Yeah, so you add it to your fabric softener dispenser. So stuff like this, I brought the name brand. It doesn't last that long. The name brand, to me, is not all that good. It's not all cracked up what people say it is, but I do have a new one. Well, I had it for a while, and I'm going to review that one. It's a different fragrance, different from the one that I tried before. Okay. I have this pretty blue cup. And it's that plastic that you can break, but you know, it's just me. I don't have no little kids around too much, so this one I should have for a while. I have the Colgate Whitening Toothpaste. Whitens to help teeth stay bright. Crystal Mint, 4.6 ounces. Why are they selling these toothpaste in the little containers and stuff now? The little tubes and everything. But my mother buys this, so it's good. I have to say it's good. And it's convenient. Like if you go on vacation or something, you just throw it in your bag and it's convenient. Y'all, I want to go away from home so bad. So bad. If I feel okay, it may take me a little trip, but it'll be... I want to go to Atlantic City. But I don't want to spend a lot of money, so... But I want to go on a little trip. So I have a new plunger, $1.25. And I have to say, I have a plunger from Dollar Tree. I have had it for years. But I decided to get an extra one, a new one. What else do I have here? I have the Pro Silk Salon Essential Oil Infused Moisturizing Conditioner. Shea butter and coconut oil, 32 ounces. I brought this before and I liked it. Has a nice strong smell. Why are they interrupting my video? Talking all loud. Go in your apartment and talk. Jesus. Wow. folks are loud. I have the Clean Coat. I was excited to see this too, y'all. It's the Clean Coat 90% less plastic when paired with our Eco Refill laundry detergent dispenser glass bottle. No slip silicone sleeve. Cap with measuring cup included. So I brought the Clean Coat laundry detergent before. It was okay. It wasn't all that. But I said I can use this with my detergent that I want to use, okay? So let me take this off. And like when I go to the laundromat, this would be good. I think this thing comes off. Yeah, I think so. But I don't want to break it. Yeah, you can measure your little stuff up in here. And it's a nice bottle. So next time I go to the laundromat and I bring my own, I will pour some detergent in here and it seems like it won't spill out or anything. So this is very convenient. Really glad to see this. Okay, so I'm getting down. Glad the people start talking in the hallway. Messing up my video. I got the Cola, the Stripes and the Stars. 67.6 fluid ounces. Brought this before. So my last 3 items are similar. They're all from the Spa Soap, and I told y'all I love to buy this. Here they go again. This is the Spa Soap Creamy Milk and Honey Moisturizing Hand Soap. 32 ounces. I buy this all the time. I use it as hand soap. And I also shower with it. I love the smell of this stuff. It used to be stronger though. Don't smell as strong as it used to be. But it's soap and it works. I have the Spa Soap Aloe and Chamomile. I keep forgetting about I'm allergic to chamomile. Cream soap refill, 32 ounces. Okay. It smells cheap. I buy Dow and Dove body wash and stuff, but everything is getting so high. I do get good deals at CVS though. The last one is my favorite, and this is the liquid antibacterial hand soap. No triclosan, no parabens, original gold, 32 ounces. I love this because it smells just like the Dow. And you see that they changed the fragrance. Oh, they did. Hey. Why did they do that? It usually smells just like Dow. They changed the fragrance. I'm gonna tell you what it smells like too. And I hate to say this, but it smells like hair relaxer. I don't know about this one. Let's smell it again. It smells like hair relaxer. I put that one to the side because what is wrong with that one? It may not be anything wrong, but the fragrance is not the same. Thank you for watching. I will be coming back with more videos. I'm trying to bring more videos to you, okay? And I'm going to be so busy, so a lot of them are going to be scheduled. Okay, so if I don't comment right back to you right after the video is released, that's what it is. It's scheduled, and I may not even be home or able to respond. I have a lot of appointments and stuff. So I love you so much, y'all. And I will be back. Make sure you like, comment, share the video. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please think about subscribing. Okay? Love you all, and we'll be back.